And here we have the happy divers preparing for their morning exercise.
A big chocolate.
It's a Saturday morning. It's nice and sunny, but there's a bit of a breeze. So shall we go out there and I think the word is a quick one.
I think I'll put my suit on before we leave the harbour.
Yeah.
I think it's probably a good idea. Yeah.
We're just waiting for the rest of the crew. There's Captain Gray going out on his good little ship. And it's Moley. He's looking so happy. Yeah, he could have gone to Sark with the rest of the crew today, looking at tractors.
No. Oh, who's going to Sark? There's a few little white caps out there. You can just see the rough water. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit choppy. And today we got Paul and Molly. You're not cold, Richard?
No, not really.
At least the sun's shining.
Yeah, and the wheelhouse door closes right up to there, so. No, I didn't think there was.
Struggling to find them.
Where are you going for your next tank?
For the latest maritime safety information broadcast.
White Rock? White Rock?
Yeah, White Rock sounds good for the next tank.
I wouldn't say it's rocking and rolling.
That's right.
Yeah, they look so happy.
many did you have, Bob?
130.
Ooh, not bad.
103.
103, beat my 89.
I was on a 15 now.
You will go deep. You will go deep.
I didn't go deep.
I was filming.
There we go.
From digging out what I thought was a cannonball, my glove has actually got more sand in it than the seabed.
Thing is, I can film and catch 89 scallops as well.
I know he'd come out with something like that.
Oh,
Here we
that's
go.
filming, yeah.
I bet you can please 3 women at the same time too.
Not for that stupid talk. Let's get this gear up and go for a cup of tea, I reckon. Well, that's us finished our diving. So we went outside the harbour, turned right, and got ourselves just a quick scallop dive. Yeah, the weather's really not that great. So it's coming from the southeast, and as you can see, there's a bit of white water out there. But hey, we still did the biz with scores of 89, 103 and 130, I think. Yeah, wasn't bad at all. We're going to go and get ourselves a cup of tea now. Many thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Cheery bye.